In the previous video, we have considered the similarity of a general figure, the figure which we have considered, a figure of a picture of Gol Gumbaz of Bijapur. Now here I am going to consider similarity of geometrical objects, I mean geometrical figures, such as a triangle, quadrilateral, and pentagon, in general, any type of polygons, and also similarity of what is that? Similarity of general a polygon here, as I have told. Now, similarity of geometrical objects. The two geometrical figures such as a triangle, quadrilateral, squares, and what is that? Rectangles and in general polygon are said to be similar if they are having the same shape and the sides of the geometrical figures which we are going to consider are proportional. Then only we say that two geometrical figures are similar. Now, can in case of circle, radius are proportional. For example, consider the example figure in 2. Here, three triangles are given, triangle 1, triangle 2, and triangle 3. They are having the same shape but different sizes here. And what are those sizes and how which pair is going to be similar, and we are going to consider here. Uh, consider here. In figure 1 and 3, figure 1 and 3, in figure 2, 1 and 3. Oh, sorry, 1 and 2. Now you can see they are of the same shape. They are of the same shape. Now you can see AB by, what is that? AB by PQ equal to AB by PQ is equal to 2 by 3 equal to AC by PR equal to 0.66 unit, and what is that? BC by PQR equal to BC means 1.5 divided by 2.25, that is also equal to 0.66, and therefore figure 1 and 2 are similar. Whereas figure 1 and 3 are not similar. because AB by LM equal to 2 by 4, and same way AC by LN 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2, and whereas BC by and BC by MN equal to 1.5 by 4, and therefore we can see here, therefore AB may be AB by LM equal to AC by LN and not equal to BC by MN, and therefore they are not similar. And now consider another pair of examples here, and now we can see in these three figures, the first one and the last one, they are similar clearly. Figure 1 and 3 are similar because they are squares only, but different sizes. Even though different sizes are there in the two figure, but the sizes are proportional here, because AB by LM, BC by MN, and CD by NO equal to and DA by OL equal to, all this is going to be 1 by 2, so sides are proportional to each other, whereas 1 and 2 are not similar. Of course, they are having the same number of sides, but because they are having sides with a different proportional, proportionality. And therefore, in the case of triangle and quadrilateral, we have we have seen the similarity and non-similarity of two figures. Here we are going to give some more examples of similar figures, namely pentagons and some quadrilateral and a circle also. We are discussing the similarity of these figures. Now consider the next examples of geometrical figure. As in the figure 4, you can see here there are pentagons I have given here, and these pentagons are some are similar and some are what is that? Congruent. Now in figure 1 and 2, these are congruent. 1 and 2 pentagons in 1 and 2 are congruent and hence similar. Why they are congruent? Because in 1 and 2, because in 1 and 2, they are having the same number of sides and sides are proportionals. Sides are proportional. That is, each side two by two equal to 1 and having the same number of sides and length of each side is same and therefore proportionality is going to be 1. Whereas in figure 2 and 3 are having the same number and they are congruent and congruent. Whereas in 1 and 3, pentagons are similar because they are of same shape and sides are proportionals. The proportionality of each is 2 by 3 in each side, in case of each side. And therefore they are similar. And now we can look at the another set of polygons. Now here in this case they are not similar. Figure 1 and 2 are not similar because one is a rectangle, other is pentagon. And therefore they are not similar. And now we can see another set of example. In figure 6, there are 3 circles. You can see the 3 circles here. And here also 1 and 2 are congruent here. circles 1 and 2 are congruent. Why they are congruent? Because they are having the same radius congruent. Now you can see how they are congruent. They are having the same. Now you can see you can put it on this. Now they are going to be coinciding each other, and therefore they are congruent figures. Now I am going to put it figure 2 in the same position as earlier. Now you can see. I hope you have understood this congruency of the two triangles. Two circles. And whereas this figure 3 is not coinciding with any one of that, because whose radius is whereas circles 1 and 3 are similar because of the same size, shape, same shape and radius are proportional. Whatever may be the radius, proportional. Because you can have another radius, for example, here another radius, this is also 2, and here another radius, this is also 2, and therefore this I can write down, this is OA and this is OB, this is OP and this is OQ, and therefore that is OA by OP equal to OB by OQ, OQ equal to 2 by 1, that is 2 only in each case, and therefore they are similar. And I hope you have understood the similarity of two figures. Here we are going to define two polygons. With polygon I mean here with any number of sides, n number of sides I can say, and these two polygons are when they are similar, and after definition I am going to verify the definition through two examples here. And note that two polygons are okay. Now I am going to define the similarity of any polygon. I mean polygon with any number of sides, and thereby using that definition I am going to verify with the two examples here. And note that two polygons are similar if they have the same number of sides, and secondly corresponding sides are proportional. Third one, corresponding angles are same. Example here I am going to consider here, and consider two quadrilaterals with figure. In the figure 7, A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Same way, PQRS is another quadrilateral. Here, of course, this is 2.5 cm, that's CB. And now I am going to say that these two, the quadrilateral ABCD and quadrilateral PQRS are similar because one, they are having the same number of sides because both are quadrilaterals, and secondly, sides are proportional, corresponding sides. I mean AB divided by PQ equal to 1.5 by 3.0, that is equal to 0.5, and BC by corresponding sides, I mean QR equal to BC is 2.5 and 5.0. Here also it is a 0.5. Similarly, we can prove that what is that? CD by RS equal to DA by SP equal to 0.5 only, and therefore two quadrilaterals are similar. This just I have verified the note made above, and now I am going to consider another example. Consider the following quadrilaterals as in the figure 8. Now we can see here, looking at these quadrilateral, we can say that these are not similar. Looking at the figure only, we can say that these two are not similar, though they have the same number of edges, and third one corresponding angles are the same, each one is a 90 degree, but the sides are not proportional because the sides are not in proportional. Since AB by PQ equal to 3 by 4, 3 by 4 means 0.75, whereas BC by QR equal to 3 by 3 only, that is 1, and therefore AB by PQ is not equal to BC by QR, and hence therefore they are not similar. I hope you have understood the similarity of two figures very well.